Good morning, I'm Dr. Deukmedjian. It's April 1st, 2026. I'm here with a patient who traveled from out of state to Deuk Spine Institute with 2 herniated discs in his lower back, and they were pinching the nerves going down his legs. He had radiculopathy from spinal stenosis. It was mostly bone spur that was pinching the nerves. We were able to go in yesterday with the laser, clean out the bone spurs, and fix the back pain and the leg symptoms. How do you feel today, minus your hip issue, which you have arthritis in your hip?
I am totally pain-free. I was in the most pain that somebody could be in. It was really, really bad. And Dr. Deuk, I swear by him, the guy is the greatest. Cured me. I am 100% better without a fusion.
And you're a tough guy, you know, I can tell from all the tats, and I know that you were a detective as well, worked undercover for many years. So even tough guys have back pain, right? And this was crippling for you.
Right, I was an undercover and I got run over by a car in 2005. And I have 2 spinal cord stimulators and nothing worked. Medications, epidural injections, ablations. I'd done everything you could do, physical therapy, and I didn't want to take any more pain medicine. And after doing months and months of research, I found Dr. Deuk, and let me tell you, he just changed my life.
One of the things that really bothers me, and it should bother you too, it should bother people, is that these doctors recommending spinal cord stimulators left and right. Spinal cord stimulators are now the most profitable procedure you can do in medicine. You make more money as a doctor doing those than anything else. We don't do them at Deuk Spine because we believe they don't work, and they're unnecessary, and they're dangerous. They hurt people. You have 2 of them in, and they're not working.
No, never did anything, and you have to keep charging it up, and you know, the maintenance to keep up with it, it's horrible.
So you were considering fusion, but you didn't want it. Who recommended fusion for you? You don't have to give me the name of the surgeon.
Well, I saw several surgeons in all these years of back pain, and everybody wanted to do a fusion, a cage. And after looking at, like I said, months of videos of people who had fusions, and I know people that had them and they don't work and they fail, or if you have them for a little while, it's brutal, the pain, and then other levels fail and you need it again. So when I found Dr. Deuk and I read testimonials and people swore by him, this was the best decision of my life.
Tell me about your virtual consultation on Zoom with the MRI review. How did that go for you?
So we did 2, because the first time we did it, I had an issue with my iPad, and then Dr. Deuk was great and did another one with me, and yeah, everything was perfect. It was great, and I'm from South Carolina. And we did that, and yeah, everything was great. I mean, the guy is an awesome guy. He's a real nice guy. And this whole staff, everybody that I met here, from the sign-in to the surgery room, everybody is fantastic.
So what's life going to be like for you now once your arthritis in your hip gets better? What's life going to be like for you?
Well, I'm very active as it is. I'm in the gym 5 days a week. I ride motorcycles. I'm a very active person. So now I'm just going to get back on with life. I couldn't even sleep. I mean, the pain was just so bad. So now life goes on.
You say you're a detective, you know the crime world. What do you say to people who are treating their back pain with drugs? Like Tiger Woods was just in the news. He's had 7 back surgeries. I've been trying to get him to come here for years. If I could have fixed him the first time, he would be back playing golf with no problems. But now he's addicted to painkillers because he went and had spine surgery in other places. What do you have to say to people who treat their pain with drugs and alcohol?
Yeah, it just doesn't work. I mean, you get dependent on it, and all you're doing is putting a slight Band-Aid on the problem. So, I mean, I started taking Oxycontin, Percocet, all of that, and actually it just didn't work and didn't make me feel good. And then I just couldn't go on with my day. Like I said, I was miserable for a long time, and now the pain is really gone. I got off the table yesterday. I am fine. In 1 day, not even 24 hours, I am pain-free.
Isn't that amazing?
It's amazing.
God bless you.
Man, I could kiss you. If you were a good-looking woman, I'd kiss you on the mouth.
Thank God I'm not a good-looking woman. My wife's the jealous type, by the way. Good to see you. Thanks for coming.